Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another exciting session with Risha Mam. How are you all doing? Great. Happy to hear from you, children. What is this? Apple. But no, we are learning the phonic sounds of alphabet. A, B, K, D, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. What are these? These are the phonic sounds of English alphabet. Phonic sounds of English alphabet. You must be thorough with these phonic sounds. Then you have to go for the blending. Now, as I mentioned to you, we also have vowel blends. Those are the consonant blends. These are vowel blends, not in the initial or ending. These are the vowel blends. O and W. W sometimes, like U, can be termed as a vowel. Remember, W is also A, E, I, O, U, and W. Also is sometimes termed to be a vowel. Okay, children? Few play you we should not use you here. If you use you also will be the same sound, but W sometimes acts like a vowel. Okay? So remember that O and W are vowel blends. Owl, howl, down, clown, town. OW is nothing but ow. Ow. These are called gliding vowels. That means you have to make the sound of both the vowels. A, w, a, w, a, w. Cla, own, clown. Come on, repeat it and try along with me. Okay. Ta, own, ha, owl, owl. Okay. Now, next we will see ow. O-U. Now I showed you O-W, no? O-U. Out. Ow. 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 Out. Shh. Beginning consonant. Shh. Ow. Out. Shout. Loud. Loud. Ha. House. House. Mouse. Mouse. Okay, this is ow sound. All right, now next what else we have? Mm, Ilf. Ilf. This is also ending consonant, as in wolf, elf, shelf, myself, golf. And we have ending blend ld. Look here, children. Ld, as in old, old, bald, ild, ild. Words ending in ild, cold, fold. All right, and we have oi. I is also gliding sound. You have to sound, and also Y also, as in I, E. Yeah, makes the Y makes the sound of E when it comes at the end. Remember, Y also makes the sound of E when at the end, as in boy. Remember, boy. Toy. Y makes the sound of E when it comes at the end of the word. Any word it could be, okay? Enjoy. All right, children. These are I words, and I would like to show you I. O and I. This is also a gliding vowel when it comes in the middle. A, E. I. As in coin. Gliding vowel. Coin. Join. Boil. Oil. Noise. All right, these are the vowel blends. So there are so many concepts in blending also. If you are planning to join to our online classes, as I mentioned to you, you can get in touch with us for more details. All right, children. I have so many cards with me. Picture talk cards. Isn't it so fun? Amazing. Uh oh. Let's talk about this card now. Can you look at this picture card? Oh, oh. What's happening in this card? Can anybody tell me? What can you see? Can you describe this picture to me? Children, what is happening? Tell me. Hmm. Yes, mom and a baby. This is her breakfast time. Breakfast time. Okay. What's happening? Mom may have given her lot of vegetables. She may not want to eat. She's so sad. Is she happy? No, she's sad. How can you tell that she's sad? Her face is like this sad. And how is mom's face? Is she happy? No, she's angry. The baby is sad and the mom is angry. Now let's look at some other example. Ta-da! Let me show you also which picture card shall we talk about. Oh, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Can you describe the picture now? It's beach time. That's a family. A family of four: mommy, daddy, girl, and a boy. What are they doing? They're having fun at beach. At the beach. This is a beach. Splashing water in a hot summer evening. Okay. This is a beach time picture card. Then what we have? Do you want to say about something? Wow, look at this picture card. How nice it is. What has happened? Can anybody explain to me this picture card, children? The boy broke the vase. And the boy is so sad because he broke the vase. Mom came to him and said, "It's okay, no problem, that's okay." Okay, this is about the many picture cards we have. Look at this. What can you say about this card now? In this card, boy is sitting. What shall we name him? Can you give a nice name to this boy? Tim. Tim is sitting under a tree. There are two more boys. Can you give me two more names? Think. Johnny and Jockey. Johnny and Jockey are. What are they doing, children? Can you tell me what are they doing? Very good. They are going for a ride. They are cycling. Cycling in the evening. Did you observe they are wearing a helmet too? Because they have to be safe. It's for safety. Nice, no? When you see a card, you have to learn to talk few words about or describe the picture. Okay? Very good. Now let's move on to the next thing. Now, what else is there to teach today? Let's wind up the session with a nice rhyme. Okay? So let's begin. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Shall we do it faster? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Shall we make it even more faster? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Still more faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Still more faster. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Ah, that's amazing. Whew. That's enough for today. So I'll see you again tomorrow, children. Till then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Risha Mam's online preschool. Take care. Bye.